Oh, hi. It's been a minute. It's been like 3 months since I've made a video, and some things have changed. And no, I'm not just talking about this duster of a mustache that I've got going on right now, but I've been traveling an absolute ton the last 3 months, so I haven't really had an opportunity to make too many YouTube videos. Actually, I haven't made any. I still have videos that have been shot back in June that I haven't had a chance to make yet, and that's, well, because I think I willed work into coming back to me in 2021, and it came back with a vengeance, and I'm not upset by it one bit. I've had some absolutely incredible opportunities the last 3 months to see Canada. If you follow me on Instagram, you may already know a little bit about what I've been doing, but if you don't and you're just seeing me for the first time with this caterpillar on my face, I'll fill you in right now. Back in January of 2021, I made a video and I talked about how I was turning things around, pandemic or not. Work was coming back and I wasn't gonna let all the lockdowns slow me down in making the content, the films, and the projects that I wanted to make. I really think that just positive energy kind of worked its way in, and not long after I was able to finally move out of my parents' place, get myself a rental home in Hamilton, work started coming in at me. I was super lucky to have been able to work on a project with Bauer Hockey. We actually launched their whole Hyperlight line of products. It's their flagship model, and that was absolutely incredible. Not long after that, I actually got a phone call from a professor that I had at Sheridan College, the film school that I went to, and he pitched me on the idea of a long-form TV show, signing on to be a cinematographer and drone operator. One of the best things that I've done in the last few years was actually get my drone license in Canada here, because work has just been flying at me. See what I did there? So that's been absolutely incredible. This TV show that I can't say much about what it is, NDAs and all, has been a really cool project. Shooting in a way that I'm not actually used to shooting, and not in a way that I normally shoot. One of the other things I did when I was actually away on vacation with my family, I started getting back into golf quite a bit, and someone else who, if you follow my channel because of the mountain biking content that I've done, who you might know, has gotten back into golf as well. He is a far better golfer than I am.
Yo!
What's going on?
Come on in.
All right, Paul. We're vlogging on your favorite camera right now.
Two hole. Well, it hasn't collapsed or shut itself down or corrupted the files yet. Still a long time to go, so we'll see. But
done an update.
Unreal scenes going on the course.
We shot some awesome golf content out there, which I'm super stoked for you guys to see when he starts posting that. I kind of shot a bit of a vlog along the way as well. Had a lot of mic issues as we went, but hopefully I can put something together for you guys there. The real reason why I've been so busy the last month in particular is because the other TV show that I've been working on was an insanely wild ride that I was on. One of the directors from the first show that I can't talk about reached out to me about two and a half months ago and said, hey, I have this really cool project. Are you interested? And after he explained to me that, again, I would be B camera and drone operator, where I'd be mostly going off getting a lot of B-roll for the show and things like that, I was in. So basically this show is season 4 of Griff's Great Adventure. He does a different country in every season, and this year was Canada. So we had a team of 5 of us that were out flying coast to coast to coast, getting awesome shots and great stories from every part of the country. We met some incredible people along the way, and I got some absolutely insane drone footage, of which you'll kind of see sprinkled throughout this video, but I'm also going to be putting together a full reel from coast to coast to coast. So that's kind of where I've been the last 3 months that I haven't posted. I've been traveling a ton, everywhere from St. John's, Newfoundland, Quebec City, Montreal, Toronto, Niagara Falls, Algonquin Park, Winnipeg, Churchill, Manitoba, Saskatchewan, Thunder Bay, BC, literally all over the place. And it's been incredible, but I'm gonna try and start posting some more videos, a mini series specifically about all of the things that I've actually learned on that travel show, because I gotta tell you, I learned a ton about filmmaking that I didn't know already. And it was great working with some people I hadn't worked with before and learning some new skills. So, hey, I'm Josh, if you forgot who I was, and looking forward to making some more YouTube content. Like I said, lots of ideas, but hopefully a little more time to film them. See you in the next one. One more thing. This whole backdrop and setup looks great, doesn't it? Jesse, thanks for setting it up. I'm sorry I stole it. I tried to reframe a little bit, and Jesse Driftwood, set deck, great job. Shooting at night too. Hopefully you're cool with this. I just want to make a video because you keep making fun of me for shooting videos and not actually finishing them. So, yeah. Thanks, man.